Now, the ruling Shiromani Akali Dal leaders have been accused of purchasing land notified for a highway project in Punjab's Hoshiarpur at throwaway prices from farmers using pressure tactics, and then pocketed huge compensation for the same piece of land from the government. The Badal government has ordered a probe, but the opposition is not satisfied.
Land bought at throwaway rates from farmers to pocket hefty compensation from the government. All this by politically well-connected land sharks with the alleged connivance of government officials. Even though 103 acres in Hoshiarpur were earmarked for a national highway project 6 months ago. Harvinder Singh says he was paid 9 lakh rupees for his land, but the man who bought it, an Akali Dal leader, got 90 lakh rupees from the government as compensation.
उन्होंने हमारे को कंपेल किया वे जाने आपको ये पैसा नहीं मिलेगा सरकार की तरफ से, क्योंकि हमारे को 6 महीने हो गए थे पूछते। पटवारी साहब से भी हमने पूछा ये हमारे को पैसा कब मिलेगा, तो पटवारी ने बोला को अभी कुछ नहीं मालूम मेरे को जाने। इसलिए हम उनकी बातों में आ गए।
एनआरआई किसानों से वो जमीन ले ली, वो सिर्फ 30-32 हजार रुपये मरला में ली और बेची, जो 6.5 लाख रुपए वो बना, प्लस उस इंटरेस्ट डाल लें तो नियर अबाउट वो 7 लाख रुपए के करीब सरकार को बेची। अगर आप 442 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लें तो नियर अबाउट वो जो अमाउंट है 31-32 करोड़ रुपया बन जाता है।
According to land records accessed by this RTI activist, 120 sale deeds were registered in the past 6 months in the villages of Piplanwala and Nangla Kalan after the National Highway Authority of India was notified, a clear violation of rules.
जब तक कल्प्रिट्स को पकड़ के उनके ऊपर केस नहीं दर्ज किया जाता और किसान को उसका पैसा जो हक बनता था, जो पैसा उस किसान को मिलना चाहिए था, तब तक हमारा संघर्ष इसको लेकर जारी रहेगा।
The state government has suspended 2 revenue officers and the local SDM and ordered a vigilance probe. The opposition isn't amused.
Though the Badal government has ordered a vigilance probe into the alleged scam, no time frame has been fixed to complete the inquiry. Disappointed at the government response, the affected farmers are now planning to approach the High Court for justice. With Vijay Kumar in Hoshiarpur, Anand Patel for NDTV.